folks, for Mental Health Week, Director of Child and Adolescent Mental Health in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Judith Leiber, and Regional Mental Health Officer, Kingston and St. Andrew, Nurse Lorraine Brown, with me now to discuss how we can prioritize mental health in the workplace and discuss the ministry's activities for Mental Health Week. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile. How are you?
Good morning, Neville.
I never know we had a Mental Health Week. How long have we been celebrating or recognizing this? Forever?
For eons, yes. From 1992, I think.
I never
Yes, yes.
Give us an overview of the Ministry of Health's focus for this year's.
But there's a theme that comes out worldwide from the World Foundation of Mental Health. And the theme this year is it's time to prioritize mental health in the workplace.
Why that theme? Why this year?
Well, I can't say why this year, but I surmise it's because, post-COVID, our workplace became our homes, right? And there was this kind of blurred line.
Or the other way around.
Or the other way, right, yes. And therefore, and of course, mental health issues came to the fore in COVID. And we haven't done this theme for a long time. Sometimes it's child, sometimes it's human rights or dignity. Right. We haven't touched this theme for a long time. So I think that's the reason. Yeah.
Nurse Lorraine, are there common mental health challenges at work as opposed to anywhere else in life or no?
Well, we have common mental health challenges everywhere.
Period. Right.
Period.
Like?
For example, persons not being able to express themselves. So we always encourage persons to be able to talk about whatever your issues are. Because if you keep them bottled up, then it only harms you and it kind of impairs your ability to function, whether you're at home or in the workplace. So we encourage persons to find someone who is very supportive, who they can trust, who they can express themselves to. And we also ask persons to ask for help. Because no man is an island, no one can stand alone. So, and when you ask for help, there's no shame in it.
But I can only ask for help, I'll stay with you, Nurse Lorraine, if I think I need it. Because sometimes people say, I'm a good man, nothing wrong with me, I'm all right, man. So
yes.
How I know if I need it?
Which is why some persons do not recognize that they need help, which is why we have to educate persons on the benefits of reaching out to others when it is that you are at capacity. So we encourage persons to know their limitations and to be able to say no. I'm sorry. When I get overwhelmed, you need to recognize when it is that my tasks are too many.
Okay.
And I'm feeling overwhelmed. Okay. So there's no harm in saying, respectfully, I am at my maximum and I'm unable to help you at this time.
Right. Some people might be a little nervous that they might say, all right, goodbye, lose your work. And they might not want to say it. Dr. Leiber, what kind of plans you have for this week?
Oh, we have a lot of wonderful plans. So you start off with the first part, Nurse Lorraine.
Okay. So the week started for some of us on the Saturday, which was the 5th, and on the Sunday. In this region, it started out with the church service, as it is the case for the entire island. We were at the Alice Baptist Church. We started out with the church service. In the different services, we've had activities from the community mental health service level where the nurses and team members go into workplaces to educate persons on mental health issues and how to manage their own mental health in the workplace. Tomorrow, which is World Mental Health Day, we're going to be having a health and wellness fair at Emancipation Park. And this is free for all to attend. And there are activities such as health checks, skin and health care, hair care, financial wellness, food tastings, entertainment, which is going to be spearheaded by Nikisha Barnes. And the host for that event will be Jenny and our very own Joanne Williams.
Yeah, what time you start?
10 o'clock to 4 p.m.
Okay. What else?
Okay. So on Friday we have our conference. And The public is invited, but there's a fee. They have to go on www.mhwconferences.org to register, right? And we have a special guest speaker that we have invited, Dr. Dixon Chibanda from Zimbabwe. And his claim to fame is that he conceptualized the idea of friendship benches in remote villages in Zimbabwe, so that where you don't have a mental health person, you may have somebody like a grandmother figure who has been kind of taught how to counsel and how to listen. And then if she gets into the problem, then she'll call into the major city. So he's going to be talking at the conference, and then we have a gala. We have a gala Saturday night, and we're having an inaugural lecture. Prof. Frederick Hickling, of blessed memory. We have started an inaugural Prof. Frederick Hickling Memorial Lecture, right? But in the daytime, Saturday, we're going to have workshops. Again, people can come to that. And then on Sunday in the morning, again, we're going to be having doctors, nurses, mainly healthcare workers.
Yeah, we're out of time. What's the conference about? Just say mental health.
Yes. And this, we work around the theme. Yeah, mental health in the workplace.
And where is that?
AC Marriott Hotel.
Okay, and the cost?
$5,000.
Okay, and that covers it?
That covers everything for the day.
All right, beautiful. Thank you both for coming.
Our pleasure.
Sit with me. Don't
get
move,
up,
just
don't
sit.
get up.
And enjoy the rest of the week. Director of Child and Adolescent Mental Health in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Judith Leiber, and Regional Mental Health Officer, Kingston and St. Andrew, Nurse Lorraine Brown. All right, when we come back, Manversations. Garth and I will have a little chat. So come.